Alright guys, today we are going to be cooking up some pork chops, some pork loin, some boudin, and some turkey sausage. Stay tuned because it's going to be great, guys. We are at 275 degrees and I'm going to toss these big old pork steaks. Some people call them pork chops, but you can tell we had these cut and these are actually big old steaks. Still got the bone in. I'm going to lay these guys up here and let them rock and roll. We've already got our pork loin in the back up here on the heating rack. Alright, so this stuff's been cooking for a while, man. Look at it. Look at these old pork chops. Oh yeah, looking good, looking good. Not much left from these bad boys and they'll be done. Like I said, we're cooking these at 275 actually today. It's a little bit higher than I normally cook at, but I'm on a little bit of a time crunch. Great thing about this old pit boss is I can push a button, turn a knob, and crank it on up. Boudin's looking good. The pork loin's looking good as well. We're rocking and rolling, guys. Check this out, guys. We got some pork chops, we got some boudin, and some sausage, man. We're going to cut into these here in just a second. It is going to be good. Man, look at those chops. Alright guys, here we go. Finished product. We got our boudin here, we got some pork chops on top, and we got our sausage. All of it smoked and cooked to temp, and we're fixing to get ready to throw down, guys. We'll be seeing you low and slow. But that is it, guys. I'm glad you got to eat some pork with us, man. We had that pork chops, the tenderloin, the boudin, and some turkey sausage, man. If you like what you saw here today, like, share, subscribe, share with your friends, and remember, guys, if nothing else, keep it low and slow. We'll be seeing you.